All right, today up at Brighton, I'm riding the Revolution board today. Revolution's way cool. You get to customize your own boards. So if you want, you can have your name on your board, your face on the board, your girlfriend's face on the board, whatever you want. It's super cool. Revolution's located here in Utah. Super cool. They have really just great designers. They have great builders there with the latest and greatest technology to go inside your snowboard. It's cool. You get to customize everything that's located all here in Utah. Revolution's come a long way, and shout out to you guys who make the boards. This is the best board I've ever ridden in my life. Has my name on it. It's amazing. So congrats to Revolution, and support your local board building company. All right, Revolution all the way. Yeah.
Jangle your goals, see what news crowds want to anoint. Don't let the murder of souls drag you down.